Yo, what is good? All right. Oh, man. So we had this big dump that just took place in the markets here overnight. So we're going to take a look at that. I might even trade on here live tonight. I've been actually taking a few trades. I just caught like a 60-point trade an hour ago. So we're getting some nice moves. Let me take a look here at something. Is that SMT? Am I tripping? There's a baby SMT there, but it's not enough. Okay. Let some people get in here. Go ahead and give this a like, man. Hit that like button, bruh. So taking a look here. So we had the presidential inauguration today, and today was Martin Luther King Day. So that caused a little bit of volatility, I'm sure, over the last 24 hours. But yeah, now we have a new president officially, so that's pretty cool. Markets on the higher time frame look pretty bullish, and they looked bullish going into the inauguration. So right now, I think we are in the beginning of a buy model on the higher time frame, right? I'll just show you an example of kind of what I'm talking about. All right, so there's the sell side of the curve, and then there's the buy side of the curve. Okay, and pretty much markets always move like this, and it's fractal. But this is a very clean market maker model, and so we're showing signs of upside here. Just things look good. There's a lot of good things in here. I don't want to get too much into the weeds, but just from a high level, it looks like we're getting ready to run like all these highs right here, all of them. Okay, just the way we look, we're gonna run all these highs and then start gearing towards all-time highs. Right? I'm not saying it's going to look like this. I'm not saying any of that. I'm just saying structurally the way it looks, it's implying that there's a chance we're going to do that. So I like the way the markets are looking here. As far as the rest of the week goes, unemployment claims Thursday. We have that every Thursday. It's a dog shit news event. Doesn't mean fuck. And then Friday we have PMI. So that should give us possibly a news candle there. And if you don't know what a news candle is, that's fine. It's basically it's a strategy that we trade in my Discord, and that news candle is what we look for in terms of looking for entries and exits. So looking at ES here, the S&P 500, again, kind of the same shit I've been talking about, right? I was talking about what we saw on the NASDAQ where we have all these highs resting above here, right? We have all these generated highs, which is known as low resistance liquidity. And it's kind of like what the name suggests. It's low resistance. It's liquidity that's low resistance for price to go and run through, right? Go and run through later, right? It's engineered into the markets for price to go take. We just have to be able to recognize the model and the profile. So if you come in here, again, I think we're looking good. That pullback was nice. It's clearly manipulation, right? So if I defer back to the NASDAQ, right? So we had a change in state of delivery on the higher time frame. Right? That was pretty much the beginning of the buy model. Right? That was pretty much the beginning of the buy model there. That confirmed it. And then as soon as we had one leg up, we pulled back to equilibrium, and then we had another leg up, and now we have pulled back to equilibrium again. So we're just slow climbing here. I do think the current draw is here, in my opinion. May touch it overnight. May touch it first thing in the morning. Who knows? This is an interesting area, though. Watch that close. I do want to see if we go to it. If we're nearing that overnight, I would anticipate shorts. This is going to be a good area to look for like some kind of Judas swing or just reversal. At least a quick like pop opening bell reversal. Doesn't mean the day is going to be a green, or doesn't mean the day is going to be a red day tomorrow if we do grab this overnight. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying if you're like a scalper like me and you're trying to bang out a quick like 1 or 2 bands in the first 3 minutes of the day, I would be looking for shorts around there because this is just an easy area for price to manipulate. It's just nice. So I do like this pullback that we're currently seeing here. I did scalp this tonight for about 60 points. But I traded actually I traded minis and micros. But the setup was there. All right. Pulled back into equilibrium. There's a lot of things to talk about here that I won't go too much into so you guys don't know and get all the sauce that my Discord gets. But it looks good. It looks really good. Entry was around here. Scalped it. Scalped it up to here, right? That was 55 points, 50-something points. And then I caught another, I don't know, I clipped my runner some more over here. So it was saucing. So, yeah, from a high level, if you trade anything, stocks, crypto, futures, doesn't fucking matter. The markets look bullish, okay? I'm telling you. They look bullish as fuck. Just like long story short. All right. Doesn't mean it's going to be exploding green every day for the next 5 days in a row. That's not what I'm fucking saying. I'm saying over the next couple weeks, like net upside. Looks fantastic. Next couple days or weeks. That I'd easily bet on that, and actually am betting on it. Running through the gauntlet here. So Bitcoin, all right, overall crypto markets look fine. There's been volatility. Surprise, it's crypto, right? There's been volatility. This looks like the beginning of a new leg up for Bitcoin here. I want to see if we get that follow through here. Because I think, I've been saying this in my group for some time. I think Bitcoin's going to have one more leg before rotating into Ethereum, because Ethereum's been a little bit more dormant, but it still looks structurally like ready for a potential breakout. So I like the way it looks. I think Bitcoin's going to have another leg, and then it'll rotate into Ethereum, and then everything's just going to be going absolutely fucking nuts. I mean, you're already seeing stuff go nuts. Like a Solana ripped last night hard out of nowhere. XRP is just brewing right now. And these are some of the top ones. Couple plays that I'm watching tomorrow, but I won't show on here. You got to be in my Discord, and then everything else is looking pretty peachy. So I do like the upside a lot. Okay. Gonna check the chat quick. Let me know if you got any questions. Hit that like button, bro. If you hit the like button, I'll review your stock, whatever it is. But that's what you owe me. Yo, Trump, goon. That low resistance liquidity clearing, bro. Clearing house, bro. Bro, tell me you caught that 60-point move, bro. You see it? I know you see it, bro. People in my Discord know it. They see it. They got that lens. I know Gacho sees it. I'll give that setup an A, bro. I mean, the price delivery part was a little tricky. I suppose we could talk about some relative equal lows, but I don't know. I mean, we delivered to equilibrium. It was, I think if you just look at the context of the move, I mean, we dumped 300 points out of nowhere in the after hours. I think you look at the context of that move and how quickly we manipulated. I mean, it's pretty A plus. It's pretty A plus. I liked it. I actually took that. So I took minis on that on eval, and I think I made like a band on that bitch. And then I did I think I did micros on a PA. Yeah, but I didn't go that heavy on micros. I think I did 3 or 4 micros. Wasn't on today, but I peeped it, bro. Hit that like that manipulation at the end of the day on Friday, bro. Bro, what you talking about, bro? Manipulation. Let me see. Was it on Friday last week? I can't remember. Was it just that big leg we had? Oh shit. Did we trade Friday? I don't even remember Friday, honestly. Oh yeah, dude. Fuck this day, dude. Yeah, this day was ass. The only setup I saw was in here. And that was hindsight. I don't even think I traded this day. This looks like a really good short right here. Did that come off of somewhere? No, it's just random. Unless it was an order block, I guess. That's possible. But that must have been a nice short. Yeah. All right, what do you guys got? What do you guys got for questions? Answering all. Let me know. I've traded everything. I've traded micro caps, small caps, / penny stocks, mid caps. I guess I might as well just say stocks. I've traded stocks, equities. I've traded options. I've traded futures. I trade futures. I've traded crypto. I've traded forex. Yeah, so pretty much everything. Now forex is the only thing I don't really know much about. But I have traded it. I traded for like a few months. This shit's fucking retarded. Nobody likes Forex, dude. Forex is trash. It's all scummy. Bunch of scammers. Dumb as fuck. Y'all check out that new Trump meme token. XRP looking strong. Bro, that Trump token is going crazy. I ain't touching it no more. I never got in on it. I don't know. I wouldn't touch it, dude. I don't feel it, bro. You trust this thing, bro? I think it's already washed out. This shit looks like it's dead and gone. I think a lot of people are caught holding the bag on this shit. Cause this shit looks fucking toast. If it does pump again, like it is what it is. But I think that knife told the story. I think everybody in this right now is holding the bag. It could spike again in the future, though, for sure. Nothing too unfamiliar with, shit that pumps. Thoughts on Apple? Bruh. Yeah, Apple, let's take a look. All right, Apple looks cheap. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I really like where Apple's at. I don't really see it getting them this much cheaper, bro. I mean, it's pulled back all the way to OTE. Like, it's extremely discounted. So OTE or 0.79 Fibonacci level. That's like the absolute bottom on a leg like this. It would be odd if we didn't start recovering soon. It'd be odd. Just based on what I'm seeing, based on how SPY's moving. No, it'd be odd. This thing is what, 6 or 7% correlated to the S&P. So if we look, yeah, obviously there's been a break in correlation lately, but I don't know. Apple just went on it just went on a huge tear. So I think it's just fundamentally recovering. I hate looking at SPY. It looks horrible. It's like an ES. Yeah. So this is how I kind of look at it. You had the pullback from the markets. During that same time on Apple, you had the pullback from Apple. Markets look like they're in go mode soon. as Apple is floating near an area which I would expect us to bounce because we're extremely discounted, and it can't, if it gets any more discounted than this, and it's probably gonna go to 220 or blow through that. So this is an area in which I expect it to bounce. The market looks like it's bouncing ahead of it, and there's a 6 to 7% correlation. So it's likely that upside is in your favor over the next couple of weeks. That's what I would say. That's what I would say. I mean, that's the easiest way to look at it, in my opinion. I think it's extremely discounted. It's hard to lose in this area. Obviously, you can't time the exact fucking bottom. So if you buy it and it goes down fucking $3 more, it is what it is. If you have a 2% down day after getting in here, that's where averaging in comes in and all that shit. So it just depends on your outlook. It depends on your plan. It depends on if you're trading options on it, and then what expiration, what week, how in the money are you, how out of the money are you. All those things matter. But from a high level, just straight up, technically speaking, that's what I like. Does that help, bro? Did that help, bro? Yeah, dude, I'm going to be slapping options tomorrow. I have a plan because the market looks incredible. I'm really liking upside the next couple days for sure. I think we're going to start gearing back towards all-time highs, in my opinion. Oh, there's a trade I took. Okay. Yes, sir. XRP. I didn't cover XRP. Sorry. We took all-time highs. All right, so I called this breakout here on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, check the link in the description. Literally, I know it's cliche, but go down in my description. Follow me on Instagram. I'm extremely active on Instagram. That's my most active social media. So if you go on there, I'm showing you guys my strategy. I'm showing you my plays every day. And this is one of them. And I was talking about XRP. I loaded up on this motherfucker right here on this candle. Right here, boy. Okay? Why did I? Are you in my Discord? You ain't? So I ain't going to tell you. But my Discord knows why I would probably slap that long there. So when I saw this candle form and close, I just put some bags on it, bro. And then fucking launched the all-time highs right after. So I like where we're sitting. This doesn't look like it's done at all. It doesn't look like it's done, especially what happened over the weekend. This motherfucker had some highly manipulative move. Yes, it's crypto. Got it. But, I mean, this move right here that happened over the weekend, that was insane. So that just implies to me that there's still a lot of strength underlying, and there should be. It makes sense. I mean, this thing is so pro. This whole election is like so pro crypto. Everything is so pro crypto. The whole world is so pro crypto right now, and a lot of people are gonna miss opportunities, and that's too fucking bad because I've been screaming it at people for the last year. It's just common sense. Crypto is getting ready to go. We've already ironed out so many issues, dude. Like, we got through the FTX thing, we got through the Binance thing, we got through all the big stuff. We got through scandals. More countries are adopting it. We got the ETFs out there now. We got the Ethereum, Bitcoin ETFs. And people can now get 401ks with crypto now. All that shit is going on, and y'all aren't thinking to buy this shit now. Like, what the fuck? I can't help everybody. I can't. Some people have common sense, some don't. So when crypto market's taking off in a couple months, and everybody's like, "What the? I remember when XRP was $3. Now it's $800." Is what it is, bro. Is what it is, man. Or you could follow your boy on Instagram and YouTube, and I'll just tell you guys when things are hitting the fan. I will know when this market is hitting the fan. I will know when the crypto market's rotating. There'll be signals. All right, and we'll be following it along the way. In stock market, where I need to start if I'm interested in getting into investing and trading. Investing and trading, YouTube. I would start on YouTube. That's where I started. And you gotta follow people like me and other traders, and you just kind of have to slowly learn the game. Now, there are traders like me who can show you I can show you everything that lines up with how I trade, and then you'll be able to trade. If you want to go that route, you can, or you can pick some fruits from things I tell you. You can take nuggets from my knowledge and then combine that with nuggets from other traders' knowledge. But YouTube is just where it's at. The internet, there's no better source, and then you go from there. And it depends on what level you're trying to start at. But I always tell people to just, like I said, you can join up on my Discord. There's a free version of it. I always tell people to just join up in there, and then I'll start you off in there. I have a lot of resources in there so it's easier for me to just say, hey, go here. It's already set up for you. Go check it out. But it just depends on what your focus is. Your focus sounds pretty broad, so you're going to have to breadthen your knowledge. And to breadthen your knowledge, you're going to have to seek it through a large area like YouTube. That's what I would do. That's what I did. I started there, and then I got a few mentors along the way too. And here we are. Yes, sir. Okay. All right, y'all. Well, if there's no more questions, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the stream. I hope y'all have a fantastic night. I will be streaming on YouTube more often, so please take advantage of it. If there's no questions, then I will end it early. If there's a lot of questions, then I will keep it rolling. So it's all for you guys. It's completely free to you. Now, if you are interested in following me further, I do have my socials down below. Again, I'm very active on Instagram if you want to check that out. Link below. Other than that, leave me a like, guys, and y'all have a fantastic night. We will see you in the next stream, baby.